5 natural ways to enhance hair growth and thickness. Hair fall and thinning of hair are common issues today. Modern lifestyle, exposure to pollution, and the use of chemical products damage hair quality and lead to hair fall. In this video, we have 5 natural remedies that can reduce the damage to your hair and lessen hair fall. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has the ability to reduce the loss of protein from damaged hair. Coconut oil can penetrate the hair shaft and reduce hair loss. This property of coconut oil may help reverse the effect of harsh chemical products. Gooseberry. Amla or gooseberry has been found to have a proliferative effect on the thermal papilla cells of the hair follicles. Thus, gooseberries might promote hair growth by extending the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle. Fenugreek. Fenugreek contains bioactive compounds that may promote the growth of healthy hair. A rat study found that fenugreek could significantly reduce hair loss and promote new hair growth. Do not follow this home remedy if you are allergic to legumes such as peanut, green peas, or soybeans. You may be allergic to fenugreek seeds as well, as they all belong to this family. Onion juice. Researchers have discovered that the phytochemical compound in onion juice can help induce hair regrowth and that it may be an efficient treatment for patchy alopecia areata. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols that can help promote hair growth. It has been observed that the bioactive compound in green tea can have a proliferative effect on the thermal papilla cells and have the potential to reduce hair loss. Avoid drinking green tea if you have an intolerance for caffeine or are taking stimulants or blood thinners.